So at this point, if you want to initiate a transfer right away, you can click on the Go to Transfer button, and then it's going to prompt you with the steps here to initiate the transfer. So you're going to select the account that you just linked as your From account, and then you're going to select the To account, which is going to be your new individual Fidelity account. Now you can do a recurring transfer here if you want to do this on a set schedule, for example, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. But in this case, we're just going to do a one-time transfer, and as mentioned before, we're going to be investing $100 in this new Fidelity account, so we're going to click on the Continue button at the bottom. At this point, you have to review the transfer details, and if everything looks good, you can click on the Submit button at the bottom, and then the transfer request has been submitted. Now, this is going to give you an estimate on when the funds will arrive, and it looks like it's going to take about 1 to 2 business days. So if we click on the X in the corner, we can now navigate back to the home screen, and it should show something about this transfer on the main screen here. Yes, you can see here where it shows $100 in the individual account, but because the transfer hasn't settled yet, it shows that there is $0 in settled cash. Now, it looks like they do give you an advance here that you can use to invest with, so you can invest that money right away, as it shows $100 available to trade. So if you wanted to invest before that money settled, you are able to do that with your Fidelity account.